Greed is a deadly deed, said St. Francis, and he wasn't wrong. That's why we're sharing this banging corned beef courtesy of US Wellness and Cabbage recipe with you today. It's the perfect preservation trick to outlast another plague, like the zombie-like brainwash conformity straight out of V Nation the Plague. Remember when they mocked Joe Rogan? Yeah, hate to tell you that we told you so. Is that a wink? I'm not the best winker. Succulent corned beef with a secret glaze revealed at the end and tender boiled cabbage and potatoes. Stick around for the magic and don't forget to subscribe, share, and drop a comment below. We're making movies that matter and cooking up purposeful entertainment to awaken society. One recipe at a time, one movie at a time, one entertaining thing at a time. Oh, and yes, this is an aluminum hat. It keeps you safe from aliens and Magneto snooping in my brain. But here is the kicker. Never cook with aluminum foil. It's bad for your health. Ask me in the comments if you dare. All right, let's get cooking. Mom, do you have your alien blocking hat?
No! Make me one!
You got it. Remember, simplicity is key. Salt, and that's all you really need. Some good quality butter, grass-fed preferably. Do you remember that secret glaze? Well, I'm going to tell you what it is right now. Just remember, subscribe, like, share, comment. The secret ingredient is to the glaze. Drum roll. I was going to do a sound effect, but that's fine. It is spicy Dijon mustard. Preferably, Trader Joe has really good spicy Dijon mustard. And whatever preserve you like. So we have some apricot preserves, but you can use peach, you can use really anything that tickles your fancy. You're gonna mix these together, you're gonna glaze it, and then you're gonna broil the corned beef just for a little bit, just so it caramelizes and gets a little brown at the end. After it's done boiling, steaming, cooking, it's gonna be delicious, savory, tantalizing. Wow. Truth amidst conspiracy. Carrots are sweet and delicious. Look at this. I wish you guys could smell this. It melts in your mouth like butter. Cinematic dish, wow. Cabbage is just enough bite, so good. Potatoes, buttery and delicious. There you have it, our conspiracy-inspired meal to celebrate V Nation the Plague. Available here on YouTube for free. Subscribe, share, enjoy, and make this recipe because it will surely help you survive another potential apocalypse. There's your hat.
Thank you!
All right, that's good, right? That's funny. It's stupid. All right, we're covered. That's a cut.
Hi, darling. Where are you? You didn't call me all day. Call me. Make my day. Love you. Hello?